Welcome to Traffic Scenarios, Unbelievable Moments. In just a split second, a vehicle can turn an ordinary road into a scene of horror. You never know what might happen next, as the most dangerous situations often arise when our guard is down. Sudden collisions, loss of control, reckless overtaking, and narrow escapes. Some scenes will have you hitting replay over and over because everything unfolds so fast and is simply hard to believe. A late break, a moment of inattention. Sometimes, the price paid is one that cannot be undone. Watch closely, for every scenario holds a lesson that anyone on the road needs to remember. Don't just watch to satisfy your curiosity. Watch to understand what can happen and how to avoid it. And the final scenario might just be the most shocking moment of all. Fasten your seatbelt, keep your eyes on the screen, and join us as we dive into these heart-stopping, unexpected, and unbelievable traffic moments. If you find these situations thought-provoking, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because a single moment witnessed today could help you avoid an accident tomorrow. A heart-stopping moment. A man was standing by the roadside when a vehicle suddenly sped toward him, catching him completely off guard. In a split second, the vehicle careened right up to his position and flipped over. A situation so perilous that a delay of even a single step could have led to dire consequences. Fortunately, the man reacted just in time, narrowly escaping the danger. This serves as a wake-up call for us all. Never let your guard down when standing or moving near the roadway. An extremely dangerous situation. A vehicle suddenly caught fire while moving. Flames rapidly engulfed the front of the car, causing panic among bystanders. Fortunately, everyone managed to move away from the danger zone in time. In another instance, danger struck in a split second. A vehicle suddenly veered rapidly into the oncoming lane, heading straight for an approaching car, drastically closing the gap between them in mere seconds. A timely reaction narrowly averted a serious collision. A collision that left no time to react. A container truck was slowly crossing the road when a car, driven by someone who failed to pay proper attention, suddenly sped in and slammed straight into the side of the truck. Zai! The violent impact sent the car spinning away, serving as yet another reminder that a single second of inattention can lead to serious consequences. An unexpected encounter in the forest. A man was walking his bicycle through the woods when a giraffe suddenly appeared right in front of him. The surprise left him frozen in his tracks, but fortunately, the animal posed no threat, and he quickly maintained a safe distance. terrifying moment unfolded in mere seconds. Speeding out of control, the vehicle careened violently across the road and slammed into another car. The sudden impact sent nearby vehicles swerving, demonstrating how a split second of excessive speed and lost control can turn the streets into a place of grave danger. A terrifying moment of impact. A vehicle was parked by the roadside when another suddenly sped toward it and slammed straight into it. The violent collision left the vehicle severely mangled, a stark reminder that just a split second of lost control can lead to devastating consequences. The situations we have just seen demonstrate that accidents can happen in the blink of an eye. Therefore, when on the road, always stay focused, maintain a safe speed, observe your surroundings carefully, and never be complacent. Do not sacrifice your own safety or that of others just to save a few minutes of haste. A timely break, yielding the right of way, or a moment of patience can sometimes save a life. Remember, speeding doesn't guarantee an earlier arrival, but driving safely ensures you make it home. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video to help spread these safety lessons to others. Wishing you alertness, composure, and safety on every journey. See you in the next video.